What's up, Buttercups? My name is Elvis and this is the Golden Drive. That is a 1995 240SX, and this is, you can just introduce yourself and then we'll go over that glorious gem over there.
Yeah.
So yeah, what's your name?
I'm Malik, and this is my 240 S14 1995.
This is a new show that I'm starting. I was on Facebook Marketplace a few days ago and I was like, wait, why don't I just do a show about just reviewing or coming to film some of the cars that are on Marketplace? And I saw this and it just looked awesome. And also the 240 market is very interesting because because a lot of people have done a lot of things to them, like the original ones, they've cambered them out, like take them drifting, all of that stuff. But this one, I saw it and it looked relatively stock-ish looking. And so so you're just gonna tell us about the car and what you like about it, all that stuff, the specs, Bob, because you probably know all the specs. And then and then we'll go from there. So so you can just give us a walk around of what the car is and all of that good stuff.
All right. So basically, it's basically stock except for it's on coils, you know, a bit lowered. Inside we got the cam KA.
So what is that motor in there?
It's a KA24DE.
Okay, so that's the same engine it technically came with.
Yes, exactly, but this car's had multiple engines, so this was swapped in and out of it. Don't ask me why. I think we know why.
Yep.
But so we have basically the original engine back in it. It doesn't make much power. It's like 150, but it's a very light car, so you know it works out.
Yeah, that's not bad. Do you know how many pounds it weighs?
You know what? I forget.
We'll say about 2,000 pounds.
Yeah. I think it was 1,900.
Oh,
I think it was
perfect. Yeah, it's really light. Yeah.
Yeah, no, around 160 pounds of torque. Yeah,
that's not a lot of power, but for what it weighs.
Hey man.
Does it spin the tires though?
When the roads are wet, I can't keep it still. It's
That's good.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet. And then like take us on a tour of like the interior, or let's go around it first, just to check it out. This is my favorite part of the 240. I don't know, like this, like the S14, the rear end, it looks so good.
Especially the S14s, man. The S14s have a very like nice like one.
Yes, it just looks so nice. I love the tail lights, and I just think they look sick. And so the paint, is this the original paint that it has?
It definitely looks like it. You know, it's you know, it has some rust, some.
Yeah, I mean it has a little bit of rust, but like it doesn't look
overall it's
bad.
It's a pretty solid car.
If it's the same original paint, and this is Canada where there's a ton of salt.
Bro, oh my god.
So this is not bad.
Yeah, and we got the knockoff 270 wing there too.
No problem. I think the wing, I think this car needed a wing. I don't know.
Oh, for sure.
It just, because I think it looks too smooth.
It's a very Camry looking car.
Yeah, from the front it looks very Camry looking.
Yes,
but from the rear it doesn't look like a Camry. And I think the wing just helps to, I don't know, make it look a little bit more aggressive.
So a bit more mean for sure.
Yeah.
I can take you inside. This is actually very surprising. So for 240s, the dash is already cracked, and if you want to take a look inside this one.
Oh!
Yeah.
That is nice!
Yeah.
Okay, that is a very clean. I was not expecting that. What?
I mean, we definitely are.
Most 240 dashes, almost all that I've seen, they're all cracked. Like, I know. Much, but this looks sick.
Especially in this weather, I'm surprised it's not cracked.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go from the other side, and you can pretty much tell me about the interior, because I think it looks awesome. Okay.
See, I don't know too much. We got a knockoff ugly looking steering wheel here.
I mean, a race car.
Yeah, I mean, it is what it is, you know. On
cracked dash, the interior looks really nice. The carpet is very clean.
It is very
I
clean.
am very surprised.
I mean, you got to keep these cars
Okay.
clean, to be honest, you know, because a lot of them aren't, right? But
Yeah. It looks great, and I really love those white gauges over there.
Oh, you're telling me, man.
It kind of makes it look like very race car-y, like
Yeah,
90s race car. And it's
Yeah.
awesome. And this is a what, 5 or 6 speed manual?
Only 5, yeah.
Okay, 5-speed manual.
Yeah.
But yeah, it looks great. Did you check underneath the car for like rust and stuff?
Honestly, my friend did check underneath it, and it's a very, very solid car.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks awesome.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, do you want to take it on a drive?
Yeah.
Sweet. Like, before we go on the drive, like why are you selling the car? Why did you decide to sell it?
Well, I got a new job where I'll be driving all over the valley, like an hour drives every day, like
Yeah.
to and from work.
Mm-hmm.
And honestly, I don't want to be dealing this thing because they're getting more rare and hard to find. So I think that it deserves an owner that's not going to be beating the hell out of it. I mean, or maybe it deserves an owner that will beat the hell out of it.
And then what else are you looking to get after you sell this?
Well, right now I'm just dealing in an Accord, but I'm looking into like an RX-7 FC
Oh,
or something like that, you know, because
that's gonna be sick.
Yeah,
okay, so let's go for a quick drive. Oh gosh. Okay. Seatbelt.
That's very important.
Yeah. Very important. It's so difficult to do this in this winter jacket,
I believe
holding a camera at the same time. Oh, it has an exhaust.
Yes.
It doesn't sound bad.
It is very loud.
Yeah, oh, okay.
Yeah.
Have you gotten, in case you guys don't know, in case you guys are from the States, in Canada there's something they call VI. Pretty much is when you get told by the police to go get an inspection or...
Yep.
Yeah.
And then if your car's not stock, they'll make it so you can't insure your car.
Oh, they can do that?
Yes, they can.
I did not know they could do that.
Yeah.
Oh
so
my gosh.
It is, you gotta be careful where you take these things.
Yeah, but you haven't gotten a VI yet,
I
so
have not,
let's hope this is not the time.
Don't take your car downtown Vancouver. Yeah.
Oh my God, you're pretty close to Vancouver though.
I'm in Vancouver, but not the city. So
okay.
Yeah.
And it's on coilovers?
It is.
Do you know what type of coilovers?
I do not.
Okay.
The person before me did it.
Yeah.
But they're stiff as hell. I can tell you.
Yeah, I kind of felt it like the moment we set up. I'm like, whoa.
Yeah. No, I'm not trying to go crazy in my neighborhood.
No, you're good. No, you don't have to floor it or anything. I just want to pretty much just get an experience for like how it drives from your standpoint.
Yeah, of course.
So what is your favorite thing about this car?
The LSD, to be honest.
It has an LSD?
It does have an LSD.
What the?
Yeah.
From factory?
I think someone put it in.
I mean, that's still awesome.
Yeah,
like,
no,
what?
It's great. Yeah.
Oh, and do you notice it a lot when you're driving, or no?
Especially in the rain, man. I can't go off from a red light without my tire spinning one way.
That is funny. Okay,
yeah, and,
I did not know they had or this had an LSD.
Yeah, it also has a stage 3 clutch.
Oh,
so
okay.
It catches,
so it's very aggressive.
It catches hard, man.
Yeah.
Oh, for sure.
Oh yeah. Do you scrape on all these like curves and all of that, or like speed bumps?
I've left my mark on every single one of these speed bumps. they all know my name.
So you know.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is awesome. It actually, I mean, from what I felt there, it actually does have some power.
It pulls for sure.
It feels more like 200 horsepower, honestly.
Yeah.
No, please don't kill us.
It's not wet enough yet.
Yeah, to like slide around or anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, the ride is a little bit stiff.
It's a bit bumpy.
Oh, that's so funny.
Trust me, you do get used to it after a while.
Oh yeah, I know the feeling. I have a Datsun, so.
Oh yeah, no, you know for sure.
Yeah, I'm very used to this. Yeah, it definitely feels more than 150 horsepower. Because my Datsun has what, like around the same, like 150.
Yeah.
And it feels way slower. I mean, part of the reason is because it's a turbo head, or it was set up for a turbo, but the turbo is not in it.
Yeah.
So it has low compression, and so it feels slow.
Okay.
But this definitely feels like 200, I would say.
No, yeah, man, I can't explain it. I can't explain it.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, yes, I really appreciate you taking the time to.
Hey, this was fun. I like this.
Yeah. I appreciate it.
I'm sad that the roads went a bit more wet.
Yeah, no, I'm kind of glad, honestly. Oh my gosh.
We can get a bit crazy over here.
Yeah, but I'm still surprised that we found this car, because like I told you earlier, a lot of people turn these into like drift cars, rip out the engines and replace them with turbo engine, and so this is rare. Honestly,
it is
to see it. And so if you are interested in this car, you can check out my link, the link in the description to this video, but also you can check out Facebook Marketplace, where you will see this car for sale, and hopefully it hasn't sold by it, or maybe it'll have sold, I don't know. Have you gotten a lot of bites for it yet?
Yeah.
Okay.
I might have a guy coming to pick it up tonight, but if I don't, then you guys are in luck.
Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you guys on the next magnificently golden drive of Facebook Marketplace car finds. I forgot what I'm gonna name this thing, but see you guys later. Bye.